Hi folks, this is new Royal Classic Edition vacuum cleaner I got yesterday from a good friend Chad. I really like this vacuum cleaner. It's all metal, nice and shiny. There's a light under there and a place to put scents of some sort. Cap for putting the hose in there. Really nice bag and logo on it. Toggle switch. I just got an extra belt there. Nice 40-foot cord on it. A little adjuster here for adjusting the height using your toe. I'll release. That's up. Anyways, I'll give you a demo here. I've already got my requisite dirt from the plant pot on the carpet.